People think risk is for the young. That's nonsense. I took my biggest risks after 40 when I had the most to lose. When I was younger, I believed something most people still believe. Play it safe as you get older. That advice sounds wise. It's actually dangerous, because safety doesn't protect you from failure, it protects you from growth. By 40, most people aren't stuck because they lack money. They're stuck because they fear losing what they have. And fear is the most expensive bill you'll ever pay. Let me tell you what 40 really gives you. Pattern recognition, scar tissue, judgment, the ability to smell bad deals before they speak. Young people have energy, older people have accuracy, and accuracy makes risk cheaper. When I got older, I didn't take fewer risks, I took smarter ones. Most people define risk like this: risk equals chance of losing money. Wrong. Real risk is this: spending your life on something that doesn't matter. You can recover money, you can't recover time. If I risk something after 40, it must pass 3 filters. 1. Asymmetric upside. If I win, life-changing. If I lose, I survive. 2. Mission alignment. If it doesn't matter to the future, I'm not interested. 3. Regret test. When I'm 80, will I regret not trying? If yes, I do it. Most people don't stop winning because of age. They stop because of comfort. Comfort is seductive. Comfort whispers, "You've done enough." That voice is lying, because stagnation doesn't feel like failure at first. It feels like stability, until 10 years pass. The safest life is often the riskiest life, because if your income depends on one employer, one system, one skill, you're not secure, you're exposed. Real security comes from adaptability, and adaptability only grows when you test yourself. If you're over 40 thinking, "It's too late for me," you're exactly who should take a calculated risk, not reckless, designed. Start something, build something, learn something that scares you, because the clock isn't your enemy, complacency is. I didn't win because I avoided risk. I won because I learned which risks were worth my life. You still can too.